Hi everyone, it's your girl Stephanie. Today I am showing you my new house. I've been here for a week and a couple days. Kind of finally getting through all the stuff that I need to unpack. There are definitely still a lot of boxes around, so the house is nowhere near where I want it to be. But I just want to show y'all because I'm so excited to be here. Josie so far is loving it. This is her little lookout. This is right next to the front door right here. And she gets to just look out the window and see what's going on, see who's coming in. Now she has a yard, which is great, but I don't really want her going out too much currently because let me show you what it looks like outside. My camera's definitely not picking this up right now, but the sky outside right now is like, oh, just grimy looking. It's kind of like yellowish because there's so many fires happening. So I haven't really been letting Josie out too much the last couple days. I don't know. I just don't want her to be exposed to the unhealthy air quality as much. Okay, let's just start off over here though, since we're already in this area. So here is my front door. We have some really nice little built-in cabinets. I haven't lined them yet, but I'm gonna be putting some shoes in there because that's pretty much like the only shoe storage unless I were to get some sort of shoe bench and place it here. I feel like it goes without saying that I'm still figuring out where to place stuff, and there's some furniture that I definitely have to get rid of or switch around, but right next to the front door is where I have my couch, which is all covered right now. It's just been real dirty. Today's the first day I got to like really clean the house and like clean all the floors as well because it was really dirty. But on the windows also, Sophia Chang, what's up, helped me put up these temporary blinds because I have to order blinds to go into this. So there's just literally these paper blinds that you get from Home Depot. It's pretty awesome. You just stick it to the top and cut it to size. And a 5-pack is like $13. And they're really effective. They look really nice too when they're all down. Okay, so if you're at the front door, this is what you see. We have another one of these little cabinets off to the side here. I'll go over there in a minute. And then here is the fireplace with my big ass TV on top. It is not mounted yet. It's just sitting up there. It's secure. I already showed you the little living space. And then here is the dining, which has my same dining table, except I don't have the extender on it anymore. So I closed that up. And if you're interested in any of the furniture in this video, I linked them all out in my previous video at my loft, the kitchen. All right, so I just have a bunch of knickknacks and stuff in there. That's not gonna be so busy eventually, but just still trying to figure out where to place things. I love this little kitchen. It is small, but the space is used really well, I feel like. And I love the butcher block and the color. First thing I did pretty much is actually Michael's mom suggested this and she helped me do a lot of these drawers. Okay, actually that's not a good example. Maybe open this one. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I put all my plates in this drawer and honestly, I love it. Having plates up on a shelf, I'm 5'2", so doing this is so much nicer for me. But we lined all the drawers in all the pantry and over here just to not damage the wood. Love this guy. Oh, look how nice and organized. Pantry up here and then my pantry down there and Josie's food and like more cleaning stuff under there. So once we turn around here, this is just like the messiest living zone. I feel like, and I'll show you in a little bit, this big one is going to be moved into one of the bedrooms along with like the little record console as well. And over here, I think I'm just gonna have like my two chairs and a little table in between. And then over here we have my desk with my computer and everything. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this over here, but I like the light and just the openness of this area. Obviously, there's just so much junk because I haven't put everything away yet. Moving is freaking insane. Like, moving is so much. It's been a lot. We're about to enter the crazy zone before we go to my master bedroom. This is like the guest bathroom over here. And oh, check this out. Karen, what's up? Shout out Karen Young. She got me a tushy. I'm so excited for this. Michael installed, what? Did he install? Wait, oh, I guess you're supposed to be able to see it from this way. Oh, okay, well, apparently there's one screw that like doesn't work with this toilet, so he has to buy something else. So it's not, I haven't used it yet, obviously, but thank you, Karen, for that. She gave it to me. She sent it to me as like a housewarming gift. Honestly, best housewarming gift ever because I've been wanting to get one of these for so long. So super stoked for that. But yeah, in this bathroom, we got a little tub and then shower up there. Okay, let's move over here. So here's the first room. Yeah, you might have thought that I was like, wow, she's so unpacked. Like everything looks great. No, this is, I think where I'm going to have my vanity and all my filming stuff is going to be in this room. So this eventually is going to be Michael's closet / shoes. We're still figuring that out, but yeah, I have these really pretty, like, I don't know, are these bay windows up here, and I place my vanity there. This room, I'm still working on it, clearly. Okay, so we go across the hall. The linen closet has no shelving in it. And then this is supposed to be the washer dryer. I ordered the washer and dryer a week ago. It's not going to be here for like another 3 weeks. So yeah, I have to do my laundry other places. Let's go into this room. Okay. So here we are in what would be the guest bedroom. I think that we're going to be changing some things in here. I actually have an additional little guest house out back. I will show you after the master. And that is where my parents will be staying with me when they come to visit. They're planning on, you know, visiting a lot more. What I am thinking is I'm going to be putting this bed in that one and maybe having a pull-out couch in here so we can put another desk and have more living space. It just didn't make sense to have a room that had just a guest bedroom in it we wouldn't, you know, there's no other space to do anything in here. So I think we're gonna be putting this bed in the additional little guest house. So that is just a mess in here. What's up, Joe? Okay, keep looking out the window for me. All right, so coming into the master now. Woohoo! Okay. So I got the Pax IKEA closet system. That is what's going on over here, just installed. And but IKEA is on back order on a lot of stuff. So if you see this panel right here, that was the only one I guess they had, and it's back ordered till October. So once it comes in, it's just going to be a wall of those doors right there, and they're going to open up like, you know, like that and like that. So like, I guess, you know, little French doors. I'm going to just add more shelves, take out that pants rack thing, actual drawers, I mean, not shelves, and it'll utilize the space so much better. And I think if I just have 2 of these, that'll be great for my like everyday clothes, and then that one will be for Michael, and then we'll be good to go. But right now it's not utilized the best, I would say. Over here we have, this is like the new piece of furniture that I have, which is this bed frame, a king bed, my first king bed from CB2. Currently I have my old bedding on it, which is for a queen, because I ordered a couple things from I ordered one thing from Parachute, and then I ordered something from West Elm as a duvet cover, but I wanted to wait till Labor Day so I could get everything on sale. So I'm just using my old stuff until that comes in. I ordered it, but now it says it's not going to be here for a really long time too. This is the master bathroom. It just has this like sliding door. So this is not the pooping bathroom, I will say, because it's literally like right here and it's just a sliding door. It does not seal at all. I think that this whole thing is from IKEA. I like this sink a lot. Still need to figure out better storage solution. I just have everything up here, but I do have more stuff in the drawer. I don't know. I might want to just like make this into a smaller mirror and then have some sort of storage thing up here just to be able to put all my products away, because I don't want to keep opening the drawer, you know, when you're putting on all your lotions and creams and whatnot. I was also thinking, oh, what if I got a medicine cabinet for this area? It would stick out like 6-7 inches. It would just be too deep. I love our shower. Look at that. The shower head is so nice and powerful. It really is like incredible to have a shower like this. And we have the little other head so I can like wash Josie's paws really easy at nighttime. Every night, here, wait, let me see if I can get her to come over here. Joe, come on. At nighttime, right after her last time of going out to potty, which she knows, she comes right over. She just walks right into here and she knows it's time to wash her paws. Hanjo, she really doesn't mind it now. She used to kind of be like, about jumping into the tub, but she'll just beeline right here. I don't know, it's so awesome. So now that you've seen the messy main house, okay, just a reminder, I've been here for like a little over a week, okay? So I understand it's not very clean, it's very cluttered, but I'm still figuring out all my storage solutions and whatnot. So yeah, like I said, I have an additional unit in the back. I'm kind of putting it together, furnishing it for my parents, but also, you know, potentially, maybe some friends or something if they need a place to stay and whatnot. So right now we are gonna go into the backyard and then I'll show you the additional unit. Here we go. So this is my backyard. I'm just so excited to have this outdoor space. Ooh, check out this really exciting thing that I just bought. A little handheld leaf blower. It works really well. I'm not gonna turn it on right now because it's pretty loud, but this is the kind of stuff that I get excited for now. See, that's where we park our cars. Michael actually took my car to work because he couldn't find his keys. He had to take my car, but that's usually where he parks and I park. Okay, here we go. It's really messy in here, okay? All right. So, Michael just built this open closet system. Oh, hello, ma'am. So this is not like the best state, this place obviously to show you, but I'm still putting it together. So I'm putting it together, my house, and then this little area too. But this is a closet system from IKEA that Michael just put together, and it's so heavy, but we have to move it to over here. So it's gonna be sitting there, and then I have a little desk, a very small desk that's gonna be right here with a chair, and I'm gonna mount a TV right there because I'm gonna put the bed up against this wall. So when you're watching TV, you can swing it so you can see it from the bed, and I'm gonna put like a small little seating zone over here. I'm sorry, this is really hard to visualize right now. This couch is not staying in here, so ignore that. This is the kitchen island from my old place, and it fits, well, it's just so perfectly. And this little kitchen here is just so cute. I love this little stove. So we still got gas, microwave up there. Little, not a little actually, it's a very deep sink. And then of course we have more storage from the island. Fridge over there. And then we have the bathroom. Just a standing shower, but check this out. Look at that huge, humongous rain shower head. It's kind of amazing. We got a little sink in here that actually, you know, utilizes the space pretty well, and actual natural light in the bathroom, which is awesome. I actually bought a little chair and tables to put out there. I clearly need to actually, you know, get my own deck furniture as well. Let's just get out of here though. I think it's gonna look really nice once it's all put together. We got an orange tree right there. Look at that. I'm so excited for oranges. And obviously, like I said, get some real deck furniture and make this all nice looking too. I literally like sat on the couch and turned around to face the window, and then she just put her head on my arm. There's gonna be a lot more happening here, so hopefully I can bring y'all along with me. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being on this journey with me. There's a lot to do here. So yeah, I just wanna say I love y'all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.